In this video, I will show you how to buy crypto on Kraken. So from our Kraken home tab, we are going to click on buy, or we can click on the big purple button down below. So let's click on this button and select buy in here. And from here, we can select our cryptocurrency. And let's say you want to buy crypto, then let's go for Bitcoin. And of course, you can pick any coin you want, any crypto, and you can also search assets to buy. So I'm going for Bitcoin, and here you can select your order type, so you can buy now, or you can click on recurring, or you can create something custom. I'm going for buy now. And here you need to enter the amount. So let's say I want to buy for €1, then it will calculate how much Bitcoin this will be. And after you've finished, you can select with what you want to pay. So I'm going to pay with my Euro balance. You can also select Apple Pay or add a card, or you can deposit cash. So I'm going with my Euro balance and I'm going to click on next. In this screen, you will see the amount of Bitcoin you will buy and you will see the amount of fees that are included. And after everything is okay, you're going to swipe this to confirm. So as you can see, the transaction is completed. So I can click on view transaction to get the details. And right now my Bitcoin will be added to my account. So that is how you buy crypto on Kraken. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.